Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. Does that mean take care of you? I will. And if I got been now, I will do it now. So take care of me.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a flip over versatile quick weave, and I want to share everything that I do to get the perfect install. So I'm starting off with my braid down. As you can see, I did larger braids, but everything is straight to the back, a little bit neat but not too small. I didn't really focus on getting my braid down super flat because this style of quick weave is pretty forgiving. So once you do get your braids down, you want to put on a cap. I'm using this color cap. A lot of people use black. You can use whichever wig cap you'd like, but this wig cap I would kind of suggest for beginners. It allows you to see a lot better than if you were to use a black cap. So you are going to put the Morning Glory, which is just like a protective seal around your hair to make sure that the glue doesn't get in your hair. But don't worry, if you do get glue in your hair, it is removable. It's nothing that's gonna eat your hair out or anything like that. It's just a lot easier to take your quick weave down if you put the Morning Glory on your hair correctly. So I am putting that all over my head, all over the portion of my hair that I will not be leaving out. And you want to make sure not to get it in your leave out, or else you'll have to wash that part again to make sure that it's not there. But I got it all over my head, and I like to just use a glove and spread it all around my head. It's a lot easier that way. And then with this color cap, you're able to see and make sure that you spread the product out evenly. But before I start laying my tracks, I like to sit under my hooded dryer and just make sure that all of that product is dry before you start to add the glue, because if it is not, the glue will seep through and get on your hair. But now we are gluing on the tracks. For my quick weaves, I never use new bundles. I always use old cut up bundles for a quick weave. So that is exactly what I'm doing. These bundles are super old, and they're actually a mix of different bundles. Now, the way that I get my bundles to blend with them being old and different brands is I dye them. I always make sure that I dye my hair. It doesn't have to be jet black, but you just want to make sure that you have one solid color and that it's the hair is freshly washed and treated. I do sometimes deep condition my bundles, but I want the hair to look good before I put it in my hair. So as you guys could see, I'm using an old quick weave, so I keep them like I just showed you. When I take them out, they should come out kind of like a wig, like it was, and you'll be able to reuse them. So yeah, but you want to add the glue to your track and then just kind of lay it around. You want to make sure that you're not using too much glue. That'll just be a huge mess. You actually don't need that much glue, but I do like to kind of blow dry my tracks in between, just so when it comes time to style, it's a lot easier and I have more of a consistent look, because we're doing it on ourselves, so you can't really see the back too well. But I did a standard kind of U placement of my tracks, but now that I'm at the top of my head, I'm going to start laying right across. So I'm trying to explain to you guys how I'm doing this, but I feel like you could also kind of just follow along with the video and see. So for this placement of the tracks, this is what gives you the flip over actual like method. You want to place your tracks along the opposite side of where you want the hair to lay once you're styling it. So if you want your hair to lay on the right side, when it's styled, you're gonna place the tracks going toward the left side. So I did that, but I let the tracks meet in the middle versus going all the way across to the opposite side, because I wanted to be able to flip my hair in both directions, or sometimes wear it kind of just straight back without having a large hump. So you'll be able to kind of see I'm meeting the hair in the middle here, but it'll still give that flip over effect because I'll be able to flip from opposite sides. So hopefully that made sense. If it did not, please ask me any questions that you need to know. So now I'm gonna move on to styling the hair, but before I do that, I do sit under the dryer again to make sure that the glue is fully dried before I start to do anything to the hair. You don't wanna pull out the tracks and have to lay it down again. So another thing that I do to make my old tracks kind of blend together is I cut them. I always give my hair a good trim and just kind of layer the hair before I style it to make sure that everything just looks fresh and new. So that's what I did. I do have a tutorial on my video as well of how I cut my layers, but the hair always looks so much better and just fresh when you cut those dead ends off and just give it a new style. So that's what I did, and now I'm just curling the hair. For my flip overs, I like to curl my hair up or away from my face just to give it more volume, and then you'll see at the end I flip the hair to the opposite side that it was laying on, but since I worked my way up laying those tracks, I can flip it to either side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you have any questions, if I didn't explain this process to you guys well enough. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it and try this style out on yourself. And be sure to like the video if you like it, of course, and subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.
Is it that sweet? I guess so. That's that me espresso. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. That's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. That's that me espresso. I can't relate to desperation. Might give a fuck. Are on vacation, and I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling when they act this way. I know I got him, so bad your ex don't do it for you. Walk in and drinking, shoot it for you. Soft skin and I perfume it for you. Yes, I know I'm nothing to it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed it for you. Won't touch and I brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know.